Oh boy, here it is, my 100th YouTube video. Crazy how fast time is flying. I remember starting my YouTube journey 18 months ago, and after cranking out the first 5 up to 10 videos, I thought to myself, wow, that's really tough and time consuming. However, my goal from the beginning was to make at least 52 videos, meaning 1 year of consistently uploading 1 video a week. And guess what? I got hooked. I improved the process to make it faster, and after the first year of uploading videos, I actually decided to go for 2 videos a week. So instead of taking 2 years to get to 100 videos, I did it in 18 months. But honestly guys, I can tell you that's quite a journey, and it really needs a lot of passion and commitment to make it happen. I really had a lot of ups and downs, especially when you look at the analytics and see some of the videos doing really well and you really get excited and get the fuel to get going. And then you see other videos where you spend so much time and energy on thinking about them, scripting them, editing them, and then they literally tank. You get maybe 100-200 views, and it can at times be quite demotivating. So honestly, YouTube really is an emotional roller coaster, I can say that. And as the saying goes, it's definitely not a sprint, but a marathon. Of course, I'm super happy to be part of the YouTube Partners program, where I'm basically monetized and get a monthly paycheck from YouTube paid to me for advertising on my channel. Plus, of course, some affiliate income whenever any one of you signs up to the service. I have in my links in the description below. So from a purely financial perspective, the ROI, the return on investment, or more specifically the return on my time spent, is actually very little. Now, I do appreciate the money coming in. It is a couple of $100 a month, and that's really nice, but obviously it's far too little to replace my full-time income. And if I divide it by the hours I spend on making these videos, it really comes down to minimum wage. But again, I see the long-term perspective, similar to investing or building any kind of business, right? You have a ramp-up period, and for many of the big YouTubers out there, it took them years to build up momentum, and then eventually one day it kicked in and they really started making big money. So I understand it might take a couple of more years to really see traction there and get financial returns from it. But in the meantime, I'm doing something I love and do anyways, and that's investing, learning about business and how to generate money online. It's something I'm passionate about. I research so I can basically share my journey with you, which is amazing. It helps me, it helps you in the process. Plus, I'm gonna get some financial reward out of it, which is fantastic. And on top of this, I see that as building digital real estate. So contrary to building real estate in a physical form, here by putting out the videos, I'm basically enlarging my digital footprint on the web. Because the more content you have out there, the more likely people will find you, the more credible you become as people start resonating with your message. But yeah, honestly speaking, it's really a struggle many times. I come home tired from work, have to edit it. Next day, I'm gonna have to wake up early to film it. So it's really tough, especially when you have a full-time job. But once again, if you're really hungry for something and want to achieve your dreams in your life, it doesn't matter. When people tell me, but Kai, I don't have time because I have a family. But Kai, I don't have time because I have a full-time job. Honestly, it's how bad you want something. There's always time. We all have time in our lives. It's the 1 hour after work Netflixing, or the half an hour in the morning where you snooze or just take it easy. If you add these things together, just 1 hour per day, working on your dreams, on your goals, you can make anything happen. I never knew how to edit videos, how to make YouTube videos, but it's so simple. You just go on YouTube, you go on Google, you learn these things, right? Anything is learnable. Anything these days is figure-outable. None of this is rocket science. It always comes down to how bad do you want it. And honestly, for me now, looking back to my first video, really brings joy to me because I can see the progress coming from the first video to where I am today. And for me, that's the most important. I'm far from perfect. There's still so many things I need to learn to improve. But for me to see the progress, that's what makes me happy. And put the content out. I used to over-obsess of editing and making sure everything is perfect. But if you want everything to be perfect, you're gonna be so restrictive. You're gonna not push out the content, and it's gonna take you ages to edit and make sure everything is perfect. And in the end, you're gonna just not put out content. Of course, you want to be sure you put out quality content, and I really want to pride myself in the content, but don't over-engineer it. Don't hold yourself back because you're afraid what other people think or they will judge you. People will always judge you nonetheless. So you just have to do the best you can and put it out. Find an easy workflow for you that fits into your daily routine and something that you can commit to in the long term, and then just make it happen. Just get in the habit of it and do it. That being either social media videos, being YouTube videos, working on your business, whatever it is, really find a passion, whatever you want in your dreams, in your life, and then pursue it consistently and make sure you progress and get better at it. And for me, making these videos twice a week, while there is not a huge financial return at the moment, the fact that I build my digital real estate, connect with the audience, grow my audience, and learn valuable skills such as scripting, presenting in front of a camera, social media, editing videos, all these skills are super valuable in an ever-increasing digital world we're living in. And whenever I have down days and I doubt myself if I'm doing the right thing, and let's be honest, we all have such days, and then I read some nice comments from you guys, it really makes my days, and honestly I appreciate it so very much. I'm so grateful for all 2,600 who subscribed to the channel thus far. I really appreciate it, especially some of you who really regularly comment all the time on all the new videos, and that really means the world to me. And a quick shout out to some of you such as Renata, Lawrence, Sam, Fabietz, Omar, Robert, Husaifa, and Success and Go, and many others of course, but I just can't mention all of them here. But really, truly appreciate you guys. You could be watching so many millions, billions of other videos out there, and the fact that you choose to watch mine and even comment on them really, truly means the world to me. So thanks for that. In terms of my content, it's really interesting to see what's happening at the moment. Now with the markets being as they are, it's really interesting to see the shift of the interest, and more importantly the drop in interest towards investing. I mean, when I started, everybody was making videos about investing, stocks, crypto, because it was the hottest topic, right? And everybody was keen to learn more about it. Now I can definitely see even some great channels that inspired me, that have around 5, 10, 15,000 subscribers, all of a sudden they stopped making videos. I'm really puzzled because guys, I mean, that's quite an audience. If I had 15,000 subscribers, I mean, for me, that's quite big, really inspiring, but they stop making videos because they see a lack of interest. And that's reality, right? That means the ad spend, the revenue you get from advertisers paying you on your videos goes down because basically people are saving money, right? And there's less interest, so people spending less money. But that's why once again, you have to see the long term, because like anything, investing is cyclical. Right now, people are less interested, but guess what? Eventually, things will gonna go up again, and you want to be ready to capitalize on that momentum. And that's my wish, to be there once the markets pick up. Hopefully more people will turn to investing and then find my channel. Right now I can definitely see what is doing best on my channel are video tutorials or reviews of certain tools such as Revolut, Nexo, Wise, because that's something people specifically look for on YouTube. When I talk about mindset or investing in general, that's really something I enjoy very much because I learn about it, I research, and I will share my knowledge with you. However, it's not that searchable, and as my channel is still quite small, a lot of people don't find that. So I will keep on doing those because I do enjoy them, but at the same time, I definitely want to have some content where I can be found and obviously grow the channel. So one day, once I'm big enough, I can talk more freely about things I want, investing, mindset, things I really enjoy as well. However, at the same time, I have to understand the market we're in and the drop of interest. Combined with my own desire to build my own business, going forward, what I want to be doing on this channel is to talk more about business and how you can build a business and share with you my journey as well towards building my own business and help you in the process. And that's why I call the channel Smart Money, because smart money, in my perception, refers to anything you do smartly with your money, from generating it, earning it, saving it, and of course investing it. I will also continue to do more vlogs in the future where I'll take you on the road, because I enjoy watching videos that has a nice scenery, a nice background, not just always sitting in the same spot. So hopefully I'll be able to do this more and more and take you on the journey with me while building businesses, sharing some thoughts, sharing positivity, because really I want to focus on bringing positivity. Even though negativity often leads to more clicks, I'm really an optimist, a positive person, and I want to share that with you guys. So with this, guys, I invite you to join me on the journey to the next 100 videos. If you have any comments, any suggestions, any feedback on how I can make these videos better, on any future video ideas, anything really, pop them in the comments. I get back to every single one of you. Once again, thank you so much for being with me on this journey. It truly means the world to me. And for the 100th time, stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!